So I recently bought myself a made-in Dutch oven, and I didn't see a lot of reviews of these online, so I wanted to give just my kind of initial unboxing impression. I paid for this fully. Made-in did not send me this, so this is an honest first look at this product. This is the lid. It's very well made, a very nice stainless steel top to the lid itself. Some have like rubber handles, but this is a very nice metal one. This is the base itself. This is the actual Dutch oven. It is enameled cast iron. I'm not really sure what they enamel it in, but the enameling does make sure you don't have to season it or anything like that. Here's just some overall care instructions. They are made in France. Wash it. Use not metal. Be careful with your heat. It can go up to 580 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, and just proper care for it. Really important stuff to know. But this is just right off the bat. It's really beautiful. It feels well made. It is quite hefty. This thing weighs well over 10 pounds, I believe. Made in France, 5.5 quarts. They have 3 sizes. This is the middle one. There's, I believe, a 3 and then a 7.5. But this is perfect for kind of home use, home stoves. Now I just want to put a little test through it. First, I want to just show you all the sides of it, but I'm going to test this more in recipes coming up. But here's, the dimples on the lid are the one thing that they mention helps keep moisture inside and really works with the evaporation. So I want to test that out. I'm going to throw it onto my stove. I got a little bit of water in here just simmering, and I'm going to throw that lid on and I'm going to see how it catches it. Normal pots and pan lids, the smoke kind of, the water vapors go towards the edges. This is actually also somewhat designed to let some steam out. As you can see, the lid is not airtight. It does let evaporation happen, but it will catch a good amount of it. The handles, since they are enameled, are a little bit cooler than they would be on just regular metal, but they are still very hot. The top part is cool also, but you'll need a glove after a little while. But it does look like it is catching water very well and all over it, not just around the sides like other tops do. So I do think there is something to that. As I test this out over the next few weeks, making real recipes, I'll fill you guys in more on how it does. But the first impression, is it worth $250? Who knows, but it does feel highly well made, very good quality here. And I'm excited to get into this. If you have questions, let me know and I'll answer those as I make recipes with this. But I love it so far.